In this session, let us discuss about corporate social responsibility in India and with an example of initiatives taken by Ultratech company towards social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility is a way of conducting business by which corporate entities contribute to the social good. India is the first country in the world to make corporate social responsibility mandatory, that is compulsory, with following an amendment to the Companies Act 2013 in April 2014. Businesses can invest their profits in areas such as education, poverty, gender equality, and hunger as a part of their CSR compliance and initiatives. The amendment notified in the Companies Act 2013 requires companies with a net worth of Indian rupees 5 billion or more, or an annual turnover of 10 billion or more, or net profit of 50 million to spend 2% of their average net profits of 3 years on corporate social responsibility. This came in effect from 1st April 2014. Every company, public limited or public limited, which either has a net worth of 500 crores or 1000 crores or 5 crores needs to spend at least 2% of their average profits towards corporate social responsibility activities. Since the applicability of this Act, mandatory CSR provisions in 2014, CSR spending by corporates in India has increased significantly. In 2018, companies spent 40% higher as compared to the amount in 2014 and 15, which contributed to 1 billion US dollar to CSR initiatives. According to a survey conducted, listed companies in India spent 100 billion rupees in various programs, including educational programs, skill development, social welfare, healthcare, and environment conservation. While the Prime Minister's Relief Fund saw an increase of 139% in CSR contributions over last 1 year. The present trend, according to the year 2019-2020, the education sector received the maximum funding, which is close to 38% of the total, followed by programs relating to hunger eradication, poverty, and healthcare, which is 24%, and environmental sustainability projects, 12%, rural development compiling to 11%. Taking into account the recent amendments to CSR provisions, industry research estimates CSR compliance to improve and range between the percentage of 97 to 98% in the year 2019-2020. Therefore, the companies have taken several steps towards compiling and contributing towards society. In this session, let's discuss about Ultratech company and what are their strategies towards CSR in India. Ultratech Cement is one of the largest manufacturer of grey cement, white cement and concrete in India. Ultratech Cement Limited is the largest company manufacturing RMC, which stands for Ready Mix Concrete. It is the third largest cement producer in the world, excluding China. At Ultratech, social initiatives work under the aegis of the Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development under the leadership of Mrs. Rajashri Birla. The focus area are education, healthcare, sustainable livelihood, infrastructure, and social reforms. Women empowerment, water, and sanitation are cross cutting issues. As a socially responsible organization, Ultratech is touching the lives of more than 1.6 million people in the local communities around its factories across India. And these are the projects undertaken by Ultratech Cement. Social projects through the Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development, they reach out to 502 villages covering 16 states. Model villages. All the major Ultratech units are working towards the total transformation of several villages in proximity of the operations. The end objective of each unit's team is to ensure that the village committees become self-sustainable and the teams become redundant. They focus on healthcare sector, including vaccination, family welfare programs, and very important is mother and child healthcare, education, and infrastructure. The tremendous achievements of Ultratech Cement in case of sanitation, in collaboration of Government of India, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, that is Clean India Mission and campaign. They have helped to build 442 individual toilets and sanitation facilities in 38 villages. As a result, all the 38 villages have become open defecation free livelihoods. They have created 840 SHGs, which stands for self-help groups, set up by Ultratech, empowers 8,000 households economically and socially. They have reached out around 26,000 farmers, helping them in agricultural and horticultural activities to reap the rich harvest. Over 35,000 students are benefited from special coaching classes and career counseling program in the sector of education. In the sector of health, more than 4 lakh villages have availed healthcare sectors across units. All this was possible under the able leadership of the great visionary Mrs. Rajashri Birla. She is an exemplar in the area of community initiatives and rural development. She spearheads the Aditya Birla Center for Community Initiatives and Rural Development, the group's apex body or the supreme body is responsible for development projects. Mrs. Birla takes care and oversees group's social and welfare driven work across its companies. Mrs. Birla is the chairperson of the FICCI, Aditya Birla CSR Center for Excellence, Habitat for Humanity, and is on the board of the Asia Pacific Committee as well as Habitat's Global Committee. Hence, CSR is the process by which an organization thinks about and evolves its relationship with its stakeholders for a common good and demonstrates its contribution towards society. Thank you. Hope this session would have helped you to understand the background of CSR and how Ultratech Cement has contributed towards society. Thank you.